60 minutes, so this is a little different than it used to be. Okay, so there's 45 multiple choice on that take-home test. Okay, you guys, put your seatbelts on. We're going to get ready to go here. Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's warm. I can't plug in my computer. It's cold in the other room.
Okay, the schedule tomorrow is a little bit different. Elder has on a double seven, so they're going to be in here a few minutes late and maybe a few minutes early tomorrow. That's why I put that up there. Brooke and Melissa are going to get the quiz done today. I'll give the quizzes back tomorrow. But did you see your grades on Edline? Okay, so when you left the room, I had a terrible day yesterday and I was messing up everything. So I thought instead of just having you do that extra credit, did I write here? Yeah. I had given you 8 to 26 even. I thought it would be better. Those are all indefinite. I thought it would be better to have some definite mixed in. So it's up to you. You can choose up to 5 problems from that section and up to 5 problems from this section to do for extra credit. They're still worth 5 points each with a maximum of 100. And so if you get a 40 and you have 50, that's 90. 50 plus 50 is 100. But 60 plus 50 is 100. So you can't go any higher than 100. But if you had a 10 or a 20, at least it can get you up to 60 or 70, so that's better. Okay, I went over all the homework last night, and I wrote little notes to you, and so what I would like you to do at some point is read, check all that, see if there's something you don't understand. I'm just missing one of yours.
It's in there.
It is? I couldn't find it.
I'm missing one that I have in here.
I wonder if it didn't sync up with mine.
Because I don't think one here my internet didn't work at all yesterday.
I bet that's what happened. Let me check and see.
One of mine, like you graded it, it's on Edline that you graded it, but like I don't have any markings on it.
Well, because I graded it last night, it had to sync up today. Did it sync? Is it there now?
Maybe. Let's look.
I just sent my. It's been sitting like a
No, I don't know why there's nothing on it. Maybe you just didn't write anything.
Okay.
You do.
You just did.
They went on last night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She graded it. Did you grade on this?
I don't know. Okay, let me try syncing this.
Good. You even got it good. Look at you go.
Aren't you jealous?
I am jealous.
How done she does.
Teach me your ways.
Did I hit sync now?
And the one that you're on right now, like it doesn't even have a grade on it.
That's how one of mine are.
So yours isn't synced up with mine. Do you want to see if you can create a new one and copy and paste or something? I don't want to spend time right now doing this, so if you guys have an issue with it, will you let me know? Send me an email or something. Or if you want to talk to me right at the end. I'm really anxious to show you some stuff.
Should I just copy everybody?
Yeah, let's see if we can come up with what's going on. Bring us to it. Okay.
Did you just get the one?
You're going to have 4 problems for homework, in case I get one right to the very end. And these 4 problems for homework, you have to do by hand, because I want to make sure you know how to do this. I'm a little nervous after that quiz, so I'm going to ask you to do these by hand instead of just in the calculator. So, Molly, did you read my note? If you need help, let me know. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. You ready? Get your seatbelts on and ready for action. Okay. Would you guys just watch today instead of taking notes? Do you mind doing that? Okay. Are you ready? Just shut down your tablets for now. just watch. If you're a visual person, this stuff's gonna be really easy to you. If you're not a visual person, you're gonna have to go with some tricks. So, this is a little review of what we did so far. We're trying to find volume of a weird shape. And so there's 4 methods for finding that volume of a weird shape. Disc, washer, whoops, wait, washer's not speaking. It's the shell method we're not gonna do. And then volume of a shape with a known cross section. Weird shapes. That football's not weird if you see these other ones. This one is just the first weird one. It gets much worse. I can picture this one pretty easily. So what I'm gonna work on is, I'm just trying to develop a general formula for finding the volume of a weird shape. And that general formula is gonna incorporate all 3 of those ones that we have to learn. I found it's a nice little way to have just a big formula that you can break down into pieces in your head. So remember we did this, we said, here's a rectangular box, and in old days, we would do length times width times height, which was 48. And so now, in terms of calculus, we're gonna put it on a coordinate system, and we're gonna look at slices of it. We're gonna find the volume of each slice, add up all the volumes, and then we're gonna look at the limit as the number of slices gets bigger and bigger, because then change in x gets smaller, and it's gonna give us the exact value. Well, this one, it happens to be the same either way, but I just had to get us the idea across. So the exact volume is going to be the limit of the sum of an infinite number of rectangles, so as n goes to infinity. And see how this is like, this is right here, this is the cross, this, I didn't say this the other day, 3 times 2, if you look at that, that's the area of this cross section right here. You see that? That's important to know. So it's the area of the cross section, and then that change in x is the width of the slice. So right here, I'm going to circle that and put that in red. This is the area of the cross section. So it's really important that you can picture the cross section, because that's going to help us out. Okay, so now we have a cylinder. Well, in old days when we did this, we would find the area of this right here and multiply it times the height. And so it was pi r squared height. And that came out to be 45 pi cubic inches. Well, now in terms of calculus, we're going to turn it sideways. We're going to put it on a coordinate system. And then we're going to take slices of this. And we're going to find the volume of each of these slices and sum them up. So to get the exact area, or exact volume, we're going to have more and more slices. And as we do that, change in x gets smaller and smaller. And so we're going to look at the limit of the sum as the number of rectangles goes to infinity. Now, did you notice on this formula right here that this right here is the area of the cross section? That's what we just had in the last one. Now, what's the area of the cross section? Let me look. The cross section is a circle this time instead of a rectangle, so the area is pi r squared. R is 3, so it's going to be 9 pi. So it turns out when we do this, when we get this, this is always going to be the area of the cross section right here. And that happened up here too. Where is it? I should circle that. This is the area of the cross section. So let's go to one right here that's a little bit different. Now, the cone. Well, who's from St. Dominic that knows these answers? What is the formula for volume?
Isn't it 1/3 area base times height?
One more time, I don't remember.
1/3 pi r squared times height.
You concur on that? Okay, so I don't remember these. Okay, so here's what we come up with the volume. It's 1/3